Hi everyone, my name is Mukta and I am Regional Recruitment Manager of College Multi-Hexa. So today I am going to tell you about my college, the fee structure, courses we are offering and the kind of facilities we have in our college. So here is the college logo. You can see College Multi-Hexa. We have two campuses in Quebec. First one is Saguenay. Saguenay is our 36 years old campus. Second campus is based in Montreal. So we have recently launched our Montreal campus, and in this we are providing IT programs. In our Saguenay campus also we have IT specific programs. Can you please? Yes. So as I told you, we are an IT specialist college and running the college from 1986, which makes us 36 years old. Till now we have trained more than 5,000 students, and here we have used the word training because we are not focused only on education part. We are giving overall education and development to an international student as well as our domestic students. In our education part, we are giving students with education, internship options and placement options as well. As far as placements are concerned, our placement rate is 85% and it has not gone below 85% from 1986 till now. This is our Saguenay campus. You can see the beautiful building here. We are based in the CGI building in Saguenay, and here is the view of the campus. This full-fledged building is our Montreal campus. So here you have, we have placed the photos of our classrooms that we are offering to the students, and the Montreal campus is based in the main CBD area of Montreal. Next is about the life in Montreal. So why a student should choose Montreal? So Montreal, as everybody knows, Montreal is a hub for IT. Montreal is famous for giving IT jobs to international students as well as domestic students. And all across the Canada, Montreal is the main city where students look forward to, get IT specific jobs. It has a lot of options for students. Nearly 20% of the people are multilingual in Montreal, and 4 million inhabitants are there in the city. So these are some basic points about the city. Next is about the things that a student can choose to do in Montreal. They can shop, dine, and enjoy their life in the city. There are around, more than 50 to 60 places where students can easily go and enjoy their lifestyles. So here we have posted some of the pictures where students can go. And our new campus is mainly situated in downtown area, which is again a happening place for international students. As far as placements and internships are concerned, we are IT specific college, as I earlier mentioned, and we have partnered with CGI and Ubisoft, which are one of the most famous IT firms of Canada. CGI is our partner from last 36 years, and it is helping our students in getting placements and internships option. Apart from this, we have a lot more partners, which are Bell, Rio Tinto, Hydro-Quebec, Saguenay, BlackRock, Orion, and Resolute. So these are the partners which are helping our students in getting part-time jobs. CGI and can you please turn on to this slide? CGI and Ubisoft are helping our students in getting internship and placement in IT sector, whereas other partners, these are helping our students in getting part-time jobs. So these are from different fields. Rio Tinto is from aluminium extraction. Saguenay, one of our campus, Saguenay is famous for aluminium extraction, and it is one of the famous industries for exports and imports. So these companies are based in such region where students are getting part-time jobs with the help of Multi-Hexa College. Next is some of the advantages which our college is giving. First of all, we have professionals as a teacher. Most of our teachers are PhD holders and they are professionals in their field. The student to teacher ratio is 25:1. We cut down this to 24, but will not go beyond 25. That is our specialty, so that we can teach each and every student with a different perspective and help them in grow. Next is about the part-time jobs and in-demand jobs. So college is very much active in giving students with demand jobs which are based in Montreal and Saguenay. Okay, so as far as international students are concerned, DLI is the term which you might have heard in your career. So DLI means Designated Learning Institute, and it is very much, the student is very much aware about these things nowadays, We are a DLI designated learning institute which have post-study work permit rights of 3 years, up to 3 years. So you can check that on CIC's website. Our Montreal campus has 3 years, up to 3 years of PGWP. In Saguenay also we have up to 3 years of PGWP. Here it is details, and if you will click on the details, you will find that 900 hours of study is required. But in our college, we teach around 1300 hours of study. So this is again yes. All right, talking about the programs, we have two programs at the moment. First one is AEC Programmer Analyst. In this program, we will be teaching programming and languages to the students. As you can see, this is a certified professional program, and the job opportunities available after successful completion of the programs are web developer, database manager, mobile developer, computer program, and other jobs. These are listed here, and these jobs are in boom for next 10 to 15 years at least. So you can choose this program, and the minimum wage rate for after successful completion of this program and doing these jobs is $21 per hour, which is again one of the best part-time job, maximum amount of part-time job per hour a student can get. So these are some of the description about the program. In our Programmer Analyst program, we are offering a tuition fee discount of $2,000. Our next program is AEC Network Manager program. In this program, we are giving students option to study management as well as technical course along with that. So successful completion of this will lead the student towards IT advisor, network administrator, IT technician, computer network technician. These jobs are again in very much demand in future. You can check it on Google or any other website. You can easily find these jobs listed in the top 10 top 10 upcoming jobs. In Network Manager program as well, we are offering Canadian dollar 2000 discount, or you can say scholarship to international students. Next is about life in Saguenay. Saguenay, where one of our campus is located. So these are some of the pictures of Saguenay city. All right. So there are some of the services which we are offering to our international as well as other students. First of all, we are giving assistance in study permit, which means although you are experts, although all the students are very much aware about the visa process, but still we are always available there in college for your support and help. Apart from this, we are giving pre-departure orientation to each and every student, in which we will tell very basic things: what to carry in the flight, what not to carry, and what other things you can do in Canada along with your studies. Next is free airport pickup for both the campuses, which we are offering to students. Assistance in accommodation is also available for our international students. It is available in both the campuses, Saguenay as well as Montreal. Apart from studies, we are very much active in socialization activities so that our students don't feel homesick. We take them for tours, we take them for lunch, dinners, and college gatherings. Even Diwali and Holi, these kind of festivals are also being celebrated in our campus, college campuses, and we are going to do the same in future as well. Apart from this, we are helping students in part-time as well as full-time job upon graduation. So as I earlier said in my presentation that we are partner with many of the companies which are providing jobs. So we help the students in making their CVs, resume, we help them in mock interviews, we have a buddy system going on where senior students help our junior students. So these are the kind of facilities we are giving to our students. Apart from this, I would like to mention few of the academic requirements and IELTS requirement which we are looking forward for. So academically, we require overall 55% in last academics, not less than 50 in each of the subjects. And English language proficiency, we require overall 6 in IELTS, not less than 6 in each of the modules. Okay. We also accept PTE. In PTE, we accept 56, not less than 51 in any of the modules. So these are the basic requirements which we are looking forward for in case of international students. And apart from this, we are giving $2,000 scholarship to our international students, plus additional $500 of scholarship to a student who is paying tuition fee before 4th of June. So you can avail this offer very easily if you pay your fee before 4th of June. We are giving offer letter in 24 to 48 working hours, and a lot more is there in the college for you. So you can come to Fly Talks and talk about our college. You can also meet me personally with the help of them. So that's all from my side, and thank you so much for listening to me. Have a good day.